Every product has a hidden anatomy, and every substance tells a story. But most bills of materials may be missing certain red flags, which may affect the use and distribution of that particular substance. At Chemwatch, we read between the lines. Your bill of material is scanned against over 5.6 million substances, checked across over 9,000 regulatory lists and 14,500 chemical families. Data extracted from 150 million SDSs and over 150,000 chemical suppliers, and analyzed using our 2D 3D structures database that can identify problematic chemicals that are not otherwise identified in regulatory lists. We're offering a free bill of materials health check. Send us your bill of materials, or simply a complete list of all chemicals purchased across your organization over the years. If this list isn't readily available, we can guide you through simple methods to create one. Just ask for our simplified guide. We'll build your bill of materials for you. Within 7 days, you'll receive a confidential report identifying how heavily regulated that substance is, each regulatory burden. All scans are conducted in a cyber-secured environment, so only you will know of the outcome. Whenever a problematic substance appears on your chemical inventory, we can even make this known to your supplier to identify the supply chain issues of interest. Where organizations have their own proprietary list of banned and restricted chemicals, we are able to highlight these prior to the purchase of any of these substances. We even have alarms to warn you of authorized extension after sunset chemicals. Don't let hidden chemicals flatline your compliance. Know what's inside your products. Chemwatch, the world's most advanced chemical intelligence system, now scanning your bill of materials for free. Ongoing health checks are available to subscribers of our advanced platform, Bombastic. For more details about Bombastic, scan the QR code.